Hello friends, welcome back to another basic dashboard video. Today we will build a professional global sales dashboard in Excel step by step. We have prepared step by step dashboard procedure. If you want this, please comment procedure and I will share with you. Let's start organizing the raw data, convert our data range into table format. To do that, just press Ctrl T. As we have a heading for the tables, just click OK. Now we'll change table name to sales data. Step 2, create pivot tables. Now let's create pivot tables for our dashboard. Pivot 1 for monthly revenue trend. To create pivot, just go insert tab and select pivot. Now change the sheet name with the pivot underscore monthly. Drag months in a row and revenue in a values. Let's move to pivot 2, revenues by geography. We'll follow the same process what we did for the pivot 1 and we'll change the sheet name pivot underscore country. Now drag country in a row and revenue in a values. In the same way, please create our other pivot tables. Now we have completed our data and with this we have completed this section also. Let's move to section 2, prepare dashboard sheet. Step 1, we'll create another sheet with the name KPI underscore helper. Just follow given procedure. In cell A2, type total revenue and in cell B2, type this formula. Just copy and paste it. In the same way, you can do for other three. Now we have completed our KPI helper sheet. Step 2, create another sheet and rename with the dashboard. Now remove the grid lines. Now very important point to set the layout. Set layout for the column A with the 2 width, B to J with the 18, and K column will be with the 2. L to T is optional. And in the same way, let's do it for the row layout. Select row 1 to 36, right click, select row height and set to 22. Step 6 is the optional. Step 7, create dark background. To do that, go to insert, select the shape rectangle. Cover the area as per the requirement. Now let's format the shape. Fill color gradient fill, gradient type linear, angle will be 90 degree. And here, make sure that gradient stop will be only 3. Here we have a 4 stop, just remove 1. Stop 1, the RGB fill will be 152342 with the transparency 0. Stop 2, RGB will be 304159. Again, transparency will be 0%. Step 3, and the RGB will be 5165 and 85. Again, transparency will be 0%. This creates the cinematic dark look. Also make sure that there will be no outlines. You can send this shape to back. An important point. Just right click on the shape, select size and properties and click on don't move or size with the cells. This prevents accidental movement. Now let's move to the section 3, dashboard preparation. Add the dashboard title, in our case, Global Sales Dashboard. To do that, go to Insert, select Text Box and paste or type Global Sales Dashboard. Let's format our title. Size will be 20, bold. The text color RGB will be 226, 232 and 240. Alignment will be center. Add icon. It's optional. If you want, go to Insert, select icon, search for globe, insert icon, place it left to the title, fill with the RGB 56, 189, 248, and group it. Step 2, create a KPI card. So let's add a KPI card shape. Go to Insert, Shapes, Rounded Rectangle, size as per your requirement. Let's fill our card color. We will fill with the RGB 304159 with the no outline, tar- transparency 65%, blur 14 point, distance 4 point, and angle 270 degree. Let's add a text inside the card. Total revenue, size will be the 11. You can select the font as per your requirement, and color will be RGB 203, 213, and 215. Now let's link KPI with the pivot. Again, add a text. and type in formula bar this formula. Now let's format our KPI values. Font size 28, make it bold, and color RGB will be 56, 189, 248. Repeat for sales growth, new customer, and average deal size. Now let's add the charts from our pivot tables. Rule very important. Never create charts manually. Always insert charts from pivot tables. So let's do it for the monthly revenue trend. To create the chart, go to pivot underscore monthly sheet, click inside pivot, go to insert, select line chart, line with the markers. Now let's move this to our dashboard. Select the chart, press Ctrl and X, go to dashboard, Ctrl B. Place this under the KPI cards. Now let's style the charts. Chart area fill RGB 30, 41, 59. Remove the grid lines. Line color RGB 56, 189, 248. And chart title will be monthly revenue trend. Let's format. Size will be 12. Color RGB 203, 213, 225. And in the same way, you can add all charts, sales by country, top 10 sales representatives, sales by category is optional. If you want, you can use same method what we have used for other charts. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching.